All right. Now we're doing FreeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, debugging, prevent infinite loops with a valid terminal condition. All right. So the final topic is the dreaded infinite loop. Yes. Loops are great tools when we need our program to run a code block a certain number of times or until a condition is met, but they need a terminal condition that ends the looping. Infinite loops are likely to freeze or crash the browser and cause general program execution mayhem, which no one wants, right? So there was an example of an infinite loop in the introduction of this section. It had no terminal condition to break out of the while loop inside loopy. We will not call this function. I don't even remember this being a thing, honestly. I mean, we could go back and look, but I'm pretty sure that didn't happen. Or maybe it did and they changed it. Who knows or cares? It's the programmer's job to ensure that the terminal condition, which tells the program when to break out of the loop code, is eventually reached. Oh yeah. And so because while it's true, it'll do console.log hello world. So it'll keep doing true forever. That's basically what this one does. One error is incrementing or decrementing a counter variable in the wrong direction from the terminal condition. Okay. Another one is accidentally resetting a counter or index variable within the loop code instead of incrementing or decrementing. Okay. Honestly, if you're not getting this stuff, the best thing, just select it all, throw it into ChatGPT and say, dumb this down for me, please. Make this for beginners, please. Anyway, so let's get back to it. So the myfunc function contains an infinite loop because the terminal condition I does not equal 4 will never evaluate to false and break the looping. I will increment by 2 each pass and jump right over 4 because I is odd to start with. We're going to fix the comparison operator in the terminal condition so the loop only runs for I less than or equal to 4. All right, so basically all we got to do is change this right here to a less than, and we're good to go. But like I said in the last one, if you saw it, this debugging, really, it's more, I mean, this is a good introduction to debugging, but when we make mistakes, I mean, it is a pain to figure it out, especially if you don't do your tests while you go. And this didn't really tell us exactly how to test while we go, but whatever. If you go check out the Code Wars videos, I do test while we go a lot over on that one. So let's run the test on this one. Looks good, and submit it. All right, and that's the end of that 2-day course, 2 easy day course of debugging. So now we're on to basic data structures, and we'll see you next time.